Dave sent us a message on YouTube wanting a bit more of an in-depth look at our water catching system on the boat. So here it is. These are our water catchers. It's a unique design that makes them very stowable. They'll go in a small space and they do a great job of catching water off the roof when it's raining. So let's have a look at them. Got a plastic hose, and these are the catchers. Okay, so we just unroll them to use them. Now I made these and they didn't cost very much. It's just a bit of vinyl, hem sewn on one edge and a piece of bolt rope sewn on the other edge. And also we sewed little pockets at about every 300 millimeters along the length of the vinyl. Now on the ends, on this end is the end where we attach our hose. So there's a spout there the hose goes on. It's just a standard PVC fitting. I bought it at Bunnings. All I did was glued it onto the vinyl and then put another bit of PVC pipe that I split, and I've screwed it onto the end piece to make it nice and solid so it won't come off. And into the pockets I've cut and split bits of 40mm PVC pipe and just turned them into the little pockets, and that's designed to hold the guttering open while it's in situ. The other end, it's similar. We've just got a standard 40mm blanking piece, and the same deal with the split PVC and the screws in it, so just glued in the end there. Okay, the only other thing I have is a bolt rope track screwed to the side of the roof on the boat. This doubles as a track that we fit screens to sometimes when we're in one place for a long time. To fit the guttering, we just slide it into the bolt rope track. I'm going to zoom in on this boat. Once you've got your guttering in the track, it's just a matter of pushing the hose over the end of the barb. So the hose just goes straight into the tank, or you could fill bottles with it if you want. Depending on your roof area, you can get quite a bit of water with a good shower of rain, so it's a good way of collecting water. The best thing about this system is when you're finished, you just dry them out, roll them up, and everything goes in a shopping bag. Have a crack, it's a lot cheaper than a water maker.